Hello there. What happens when you have a headless guitar that was never designed to be a headless guitar? Let's find out. I must admit I've never tried to do this kind of repair before, but I thought it was worth a go. It's a little challenge, and who doesn't love a good challenge? So let's see what we can do. So I just need to clean up the edges of the brake with the knife. After I test fitted it the first time, it didn't go together quite as well as I was hoping, but after cleaning up and fitting, it went together really well. I then just clamp it in place with a couple of spring clamps, and that's all the pressure that I'm going to need when we glue up. That's going to be more than adequate to get a good join. Here we go. Just standard tight bond glue. And then let's clamp it. On there. Another one there. So I've left the neck to set overnight. Let's unclamp it. Just 1, 2, and 3. And a nice, strong join. That's going nowhere. So now all that's left to do is to tidy it up, sand the surface down, re-lacquer it so we get a nice smooth flow and you don't feel it under your hands. As for the front, I'm really not sure what we can do with the surface of this. Sand it down a bit and try and tidy it up as best we can. So I've got some 600 grit wet and dry here to start with. Don't want to do anything too abrasive to start with. So I'm mixing together a small quantity of nitrocellulose lacquer and thinners, and I'm going to apply several thin coats to the back of the neck, lightly sanding in between, and that way we should be able to produce a really smooth finish. We shall leave that to dry and do it again in a bit. So while that little bit on the back is finishing setting, I'm going to have a look at trying to do something with this. I do have some black lacquer and I don't know whether we can use this just in the gaps. Finish it off with some clear afterwards. So I put some more coats of lacquer in the gaps to try and fill them out a bit. It's a little better than it was. And I've also put another coat of clear on the back. I've rubbed down both the front and the back with the 600 grit and 1000 grit wet and dry. I'm now going to do 2000 grit to try and get an even look all over the neck, all over the head. I mean, this is the important part. This is the bit that we want to get right. We want a nice smooth. On to the polishing. Here we go. It's not bad. We'll do that side. For polishing, that's pretty much it. All that's left to do is to put the tuners back in, string her back up. Back in. Let's see what we've got. not bad. All in all, it's been an interesting little project. Thanks for watching.